We are a comprehensive textile company from China, focusing on computer embroidery, knitted fabrics, apparel, and home textiles. Our production facility covers a total area of 1,540 square meters and is equipped with dedicated production lines. We employ 30 skilled staff members, including one R&D engineer, who work tirelessly to develop and innovate. With extensive customization services such as material replacement, label, packaging, color, size, logo, and graphic customization, we pride ourselves on our production capabilities. Our quality assurance is top-notch with one quality control inspector, ensuring every product meets the highest standards. We can introduce new products in a short lead time and are committed to meeting diverse client needs. With 8 years of export experience, we produce a wide range of Sequin products. Our annual sales are substantial, with our presence felt in North America, South America, and Europe. Major clients include retailers, wholesalers, and manufacturers. We offer robust after-sales support and hold a competitive edge with our ability to provide flexible customization and meet various packaging needs. Our industry recognition includes working with leading enterprises and maintaining rigorous quality standards. Our engineers are experienced, ensuring our products are well regarded globally. Welcome to work with us.